Comprehensively equipped, your Genesis comes with a convenient and accessible door lock system. By using your Smart Key Fob, you can remotely lock and unlock all 4 doors, as well as open the Smart Trunk or Smart Liftgate if equipped. For convenience, the doors can also be unlocked without having to take the Smart Key Fob out from your pocket or purse. Ensure you have the Smart Key Fob on your person, approach the vehicle, and grasp the door handle to unlock. The lights will blink twice, and you will hear the door unlock. After the door unlocks, simply pull the handle to open. When grasping the door handle to unlock, be sure that your hand does not cover or press the square touch lock sensor on the front and rear doors. This square door handle sensor is for locking the vehicle doors, and accidental operation of this sensor may cause doors to lock unintentionally. Note that after unlocking a door, there is a 3-second delay before the doors can re-lock again. Any door lock commands sent within this 3-second window will not be recognized. To temporarily disable the door handle touch sensor, hold down the door lock and then unlock buttons on the Smart Key Fob for 4 seconds. The vehicle lights will blink 4 times to indicate that the door handle touch sensor has been disabled. To re-enable the door handle touch sensor, press either the lock or unlock button on your Smart Key Fob. The 2-press unlock feature allows you to open only the driver's door initially when pressing unlock. Pressing unlock again will then unlock all remaining doors. This can also be done by placing your hand inside the door handle to unlock the driver's side door, and placing your hand again to unlock all 4 doors. To turn off or on this feature, press Setup, then Vehicle, Door, and then click the checkbox. If 2-press unlock is turned off, all 4 doors will unlock simultaneously when unlocking. Note that your Genesis will automatically re-lock after 30 seconds if no doors are opened. The doors will not automatically lock, however, if any door is left open, the Smart Key Fob is inside, or the vehicle is in the on position. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.